In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Amtrak coach and business class to decide which is better for your trip. If you're trying to choose between these two options, the best choice really comes down to your budget and how much comfort you want while traveling. A simple way to think about it is this: coach is usually the better pick if you want to save money, especially on shorter trips, while business class can be worth it if you want more space, a calmer ride, and a few extra perks. To get started, head to the official Amtrak website. That's the best place to check current ticket prices, route availability, and any differences that may apply to the specific train you're taking. Since prices and amenities can vary by route, it's always a good idea to compare the options directly before booking. Let's talk about seating and comfort first. In coach, you still get a pretty solid travel experience. Seats are roomy, they recline, and you'll usually have access to power outlets, free Wi-Fi, and a footrest. That means coach can still be comfortable for many travelers, especially if your main goal is getting from one place to another without spending too much. The trade-off is that coach cars can be more crowded, with more foot traffic and a generally busier atmosphere. On many trains, seating may also be first come, first served, so you may not have the same level of certainty when choosing where you sit. Business class offers a more upgraded experience. You can generally expect wider seats, extra legroom, and reserved seating, which makes the trip feel more predictable and less stressful. The environment is often quieter too, with fewer passengers in the car. If you plan to work, relax, or just want a little more personal space, that added comfort can make a noticeable difference. Now for the perks and extras. In coach, you can still visit the cafe car to buy food and drinks, and you'll have standard features like overhead reading lights. Business class usually adds a complimentary non-alcoholic drink on most routes, and in some cases you may also get bonus reward points. Depending on the train line, there may be extras like priority boarding or access to a designated quiet car. So which one is better? If keeping costs low is your priority, coach is the better value. But if comfort, quieter surroundings, and reserved seating matter more to you, business class is often the better experience. The best move is to compare both options on Amtrak's website and decide which one fits your trip best.